Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to kick off this video, I just want to show you what I did for my birthday maintenance routine. And the first thing I did was to go the day prior to my birthday to get a well-deserved pedicure at this new nail salon that I found here in Vegas. It's been a long journey trying to find a really good nail salon, but I think that I found the perfect one so far. This one, they gave such a beautiful, well done job with my pedicure, so I am going to keep going to this nail salon. Normally I will go for a regular white nail, but this time around I wanted to switch it up, so I went for a classic French tip. So it turned out really great, and I'm so happy that I found this nail salon. So after I went to the nail salon the day after rather, which is my birthday, I decided to do a little shower routine, which I don't know why I did it on my birthday, trust me, but it turned out good. I decided to wash my hair with my favorite shampoo from Olaplex, which is the number 4. It's a really good shampoo. This one a little bit goes a long way, and as you can see how steady it gets, trust me, if you're looking for a well nourishing shampoo, I would say go with this one from Olaplex. Don't let this small bottle of deep conditioner fool you. This is one of the most luxuriating deep conditioner that I've ever used. I got this small bottle from Sol de Janeiro, and trust me, a little bit goes a long way. It's super hydrating. It will make your hair feel like butter. So I tend to leave this on for about 10 minutes and then I wash it out. So since I'm in the shower, I'm just going to go ahead and cleanse my body with this Dove Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanser. And trust me, this feels so hydrating. I like to use this before I go in and cleanse my body. So once I put this on and get it all lather up on my skin and rinse it off, I like to go in and use a scrub to go ahead and exfoliate my skin. So just gonna get rid of the residue off my skin and go in with my exfoliator afterwards. And this one is a new exfoliator that I got from Target. I picked this one up called Raw Sugar, and it's really nice. It smells really good. It's hydrated with raw coconut and mango. It seems more like a tropical type of feeling for the winter time, but I really wanted to try this out, and I'm telling you, definitely telling you, that this one is really great. It's super hydrating. It leaves your skin feeling so supple. So if you're looking for a new exfoliator, go ahead and try this one. So while I'm trying to exfoliate with a scrub, I like to go in with an exfoliating brush just to get rid of any excess dry skin or cell from my body. It's a little bit aggressive, but not too much, so I just tend to focus on the parts that I feel like I need to get more exfoliation. Now that I'm fully exfoliated, I like to go in with my body wash from Natrium. This is one of the best cleanser that I'm using currently, and to know that it's from Susan even makes it better because I love her channel so much. So this body wash is super hydrating. If you're looking for something new, I would definitely say give this a try. I'm definitely going to try other type of body washes from her because I like this one, so I'll see. But I like to lather up with my exfoliating gloves just to make sure that I get rid of any dry skin from my body, but it's not too aggressive, it's very subtle. So yeah, I like to go in with that after. So afterwards, washing my skin, I like to dry my skin, and it's time to remove the hair from my body, and I'm using this Near body cream remover. And trust me, this one is good. It's not irritating. I like to use this on my legs, my arms, my underarms, and also my bikini area. So I will show you how the hair just gets off your skin so smoothly. And I only left it on for about 8 minutes or so. So I was trying to go in with a paper towel, but it wasn't working out. So my liking. So I decided to go in with this makeup remover pad that I got in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, I believe. And trust me, this one, it feels so gentle on my skin, and it made the process easier to remove the hair from my body. And as you can see that my skin looks so smooth. One thing I love for sure is that there's no irritation at all, so I can continue to use this, because normally I would just shave. But now that I got rid of all the hair and rinsed my body, I'm gonna rinse out that deep conditioner, and my hair feels super soft. Like, I feel like I don't even need a conditioner, to be honest with you, but I like to go in afterwards and detangle my hair. So I'm gonna use this deep conditioner from Rankin that I love, because it gives my hair such a great slip, and it makes the process easier to detangle my hair, so I don't have to worry about any breakage, any tangling or anything, because rather the comb is just going to glide straight through my hair. So now that I'm all done with my hair, I like to go in once again and cleanse my body, just to get rid of that residue from the nair, and also from that conditioner that I applied to my hair. So I'm using this soap from a body wash, rather, from Native, and trust me, this one, it smells so good. This is not my first time, but my first go at using Native. I've been using this one for a while, and trust me, once this bottle is finished, I'm going to get another one, because it smells great and it smells divine. And what I like to do is use this one mainly for my night care routine. So if you're looking for a new body wash that suds a lot and smells divine and gives your skin such a nice, slippery, moisturizing feeling, go ahead and use that. And to wash my lady parts, I like to go in with a honey pot, and not really just going with 3 pumps. You don't need much more. And once I'm done, just to close off everything, I'm going to go in with my Olay body conditioner, and this one smells super good. Like, it's so creamy and just gliding on your skin. It makes your skin feel so hydrating to put on your body cream and your oils. So give this a chance if you have never used this, and trust me, I've always wanted to use a body conditioner. I'm happy that I picked up this one from Olay, because it's really nice. So I was actually strapped for time, so I had to rush this video, but I decided to shoot this part the next day, which I'm showing you how I moisturize my skin and what I've been using lately. So I'm using this body lotion from La Roche-Posay, and it's really nice. It's not too greasy. It makes my skin feel so hydrated, and I like to top it off with that oil from Palmer's coconut oil. It's really nice. It's not sticky at all, and it just makes my skin look super hydrating. So if you're looking for something new or something that makes your skin feel so hydrated in the wintertime, give this a chance. I have a confession to make. Like, I don't even know why I decided to do this video on my birthday, so I had to insert another video to show you how I blow dry my hair. It's the same process that I use every single time, the same makeup look too, just a subtle neutral makeup look, nothing too serious. And I like to go in with this Olaplex number 9 serum in my hair. Super hydrating, a little bit expensive, but it's really good. Also, this leave-in conditioner from Rankin. It's just a spray, it makes it so much easy, and it's really hydrating to my hair. So I just like to blow dry with this Dyson blow dryer, and then go in and curl my hair, which I just love to go with some beach wave, something really simple. And to give my hair a little volume, I like to go in with my clipping extensions. Nothing too major. I had to rush out of the house like a crazy person, because I had a massage and a spa set up for my birthday, so I was running late. I actually had to call them and push it further for another hour or so. But this is basically what I do to my hair all the time, and also my face. And to end the ear section, I just love to add my number 7 boning oil from Olaplex just to give my hair some shine and to help with any frizz. And trust me, I used to complain about the price of this, but from the time I bought this little product, like it has been going on for the past year, it's just great. I just tend to use it only after I finish flat iron my hair, not when my hair is wet, so that I can preserve it. But I really, really like this boning oil a lot. I don't know who needs to hear this, but please stop going to the nail salon if you don't have to waste your money on doing fills and putting on fresh nails and stuff. The press-ons work just as great if you have the right glue, and trust me, I decided to start doing my own nails by just doing press-on. I used to try the acrylic, but it takes too long and I'm just so impatient that I don't really care. But I found these nails on Shein actually for $1, and they're super thick and nice and firm. I was a bit skeptical that they might be too flimsy, but to me they're just like the Kiss press-on nails. So if you're looking for new press-ons, go ahead and try them from Shein. And the reason why I decided to go to Shein to get press-on nails was because I used to go to this nail salon religiously, and the guy that used to do my nail, he was very mean and a little bit aggressive, and I decided that I'm not going to spend my money somewhere that I don't feel comfortable. So I have been hopping from nail salons to nail salons, and I went to this particular nail salon one day, first time and last time ever going there, and the guy actually did my toes, and my toes really good, felt comfortable with him. I moved on to my fingers, and the guy actually sneezed on my damn hands, and trust me, I lost it in the nail salon, and I ran out there like a crazy person. So because of that, I was traumatized. I decided to start doing my own nails. I actually got everything, even from my toes, but because I'm so lazy sometimes, I decided to try to find another nail salon to do my feet. But moving forward, I'm going to do my fingers myself, because that guy traumatized the heck out of me, and I will not be going back to any nail salon to do my nails. So I just want to show you some highlight of my birthday. I actually went to Red Rock Spa and Casino in my area in Las Vegas, that is. And the spa is really good. This is my second time going to that spa. I wanted to make it a part of my routine just to go to the spa sometimes to get my self-care in and take care of myself and unwind. And I decided to get a room also at that resort, and I am going to dinner, so I decided to wear this dress that I got from Zara in the summertime. Luckily, I did not purchase anything because this dress was just laying around. I paired it with my YSL heels and my Versace bag, and also went downstairs. Just keep it simple. Go to this restaurant downstairs where I had lobster for dinner and these asparagus that looks like bamboo, child. They were huge. I had a slice of chocolate cake, because who doesn't like chocolate cake? And bet very low down to the ground, 75 cents, not going over, on a slot machine, which is Buffalo, the only machine that I know how to play, child. They should get rid of Buffalo. I don't know what I will play, but keep your bets low. Don't get greedy. Sometimes you can win big on small bets, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye.